I just got a shoe order from one of my friends. He wants me to cut up the swoosh and do some drift on a pair of Air Forces. He wants me to make it really colorful. And I really liked how they turned out. He liked how they turned out. Because just like almost every other video, I forgot to record an intro, so I'm having to record it after I already made the shoes. The shoes took a long time to make. It is a longer video than normal, so I'm hoping you guys like that. So just leave a comment if you want me to do more long videos like this.
How to cope with all this pain, yeah. Wishing it would change, yeah. But the more I think about it, makes it harder to explain. Oh, yeah. Shorty, I can't lie, I've been going through some things, yeah. Going through some things. Yeah, I've been going through some things. Too much pain, I can't even express it. Say I shouldn't be stressed, cause I got so many blessings. But really, they don't see a thing beside this depression. I can't hide it, my anxiety is getting worse by the second. Mama had a miscarriage, I was the first one she told. Cause when I was gone overseas, at the times fighting the war. Don't know I got to my little brother, tryna stay faithful and know. PJ Gamaga, last seen you soon when I'm cold. Lately, I've been stuck in my head, tryna get my mind off the words that you said. Maybe if I sat here and bled, I won't have to go through it again and again and again. Stuck in my brain, yeah. I just wanna know how to cope with all this pain, yeah. Wishing it would change, yeah. But the more I think about it, makes it harder to explain. Oh, yeah. Shorty, I can't lie, I've been going through some things, yeah. Going through some things. Yeah, I've been going through some things. I just wanna know how to cope with all this pain, yeah. Wishing it would change. The more I think about it, makes it harder to explain. Oh. really thought they were my brothers. Now I can't trust anybody that's fucking with me, cause he could be an up on the cover. All my guys, they ain't never switching up sides. Every time down we slide, you ain't my slime, you ain't my slime, no. Cause I know way too many people done switch up on me when I really thought they were my brothers. Now I can't trust anybody that's fucking with me, cause he could be an up on the cover. All my guys, they ain't never switching up sides. Every time down we slide, you ain't my slime, you ain't my slime, you ain't my slime, no. I ain't Brody, why you do that? But I ain't tripping. Now I got digits, but I think you already knew that. I used to call you brand new ass, but you too late, that's too bad. Got this on my own, don't ask for a loan if you ain't ever had with this new bag. I ain't ever changed ways, you mad. I ain't Brody, why you do that? But I ain't tripping. Now I got digits, but I think you already knew that. I used to call you brand new ass, but you too late, that's too bad. Got this on my own, don't ask for a loan if you ain't ever had with this new bag. I ain't ever changed ways, you mad. I put thought on my mother. I know I'm lit like I'm straight from the gutter. I call the gunner. He's tryna fade it. My bro gon' pop out with that cutter. He shoot like the buzz. Can't believe you used to call you my brother. I used to trust you all the way through. Always thought that we looked out for each other, but you was moving like a snake do. Never thought the money never changed you. Never thought I'd ever say I hate you. But fuck it, it is what it is. You was faking on me. I saw it from a range view. Wait. I try to forgive you, but I don't think there's a way to. I try to persuade you.
Just want to give a huge shout out to the guy who made the music in this video. His name's Jocks. I'll have his social media in the description of this video. Go check him out because he's insanely talented, and tell him I sent you. Hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. I'm really trying to grow my YouTube channel. I have also my TikTok linked in the description if you want to go check that out. Thank you guys.
Where you want go, I'll take it wherever you wanna. Thought that was my bro, but he only wanted my commas. I know way. So many people that switching from me when I really thought they were my brothers. Now I can't trust anybody that's fucking with me, cause he could be an up on the cover. All my guys, they never switching up sides. Every time down we slide, yeah. You're my slide, yeah. But I ain't Brody, why you do that? But I ain't tripping. Now I got digits, but I think you already knew that. I used to call you brand new ass, but you too late, that's too bad. Got this on my own, don't ask for a loan if you ain't ever had with these new bags. I ain't ever changed ways, you